Yo, what's up, YouTube? In this video, talk about how to edit ecom ads. Before we start the video, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Also, I want y'all to sign up for my free newsletter below. All products I recommend. I offer coaching to help your e-commerce business, your online business. Any questions, problems, what you got, like goals, how to advise you to get there. Cause such a situation and you need advice to help you achieve your goals in the coaching call. This is a limited time offer and it's my programs. Anyway, let's get into the video. It's you wanna have an app called OpenShop, Animoto.com. You wanna find a Facebook ads library, AliExpress, YouTube, the videos, the pictures of that product. You wanna put them together in that video editing app. And you want to put text in there like wow benefits and features, and then a call to action at the end, like get yours now, 50% off, like 20% off, like right. And that's how you edit the video. Yeah, this video is crazy, but yeah, yo, I offer coaching. I told y'all, like, to help you grow your e-commerce business, credit, e-com, crypto, like I said, like your problems, your concern, your goal, and how can you solution to help you get to your goal and all that in my programs. Yeah, this video was very short, but I just solved the problem quickly. Hope you guys found the video great to help you solve the problem. And yeah, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Peace.